your gateway to a smarter future. Welcome to EuroBLECH 2022, the international marketplace for the sheet metal working industry. We attach great importance to the fact that this is our main stage where we present the world first. Internationally, EuroBLECH is the trade fair where we meet our customers from all over the world. Discover the latest trends, exchange ideas with suppliers from all areas of sheet metal working, and get qualified information for your production process. Here you show the vision, the future, all the new technologies.
You must be here if you want to show that you are in the market.
Industry 4.0, digitalization, artificial intelligence, the main topics of EuroBLECH 2022. The leading trade fair where you'll find the greatest density of high-quality technological information. It's a catalyst for us, a booster to drive developments.
EuroBLECH is the worldwide biggest sheet metal exhibition.
We look forward to seeing you at EuroBLECH in Hanover, your gateway to a smarter future.